Okay, welcome back. All right, I love this picture. I always got to figure out a way to get it in all my trainings. Anyways, I call this chapter Live versus Online Auctions, a belly-aching commentary, because that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to read from the text and I'm going to comment again. Thank you. By now, you probably understand my willingness to participate at live auctions, and most of you likely understand and agree with my disdain for auctions held online. There's absolutely no comparison. Those of us that grew up on live auctions have had to find other, hopefully better, I know I have, ways to turn a buck with delinquent tax auctions. Back in the day of live auctions, sure, you could only work in counties surrounding your home, but you could still make some money. I'm talking a $30K profit every deal, time after time after time, until the stock market crashed in October 2002. We were pulling in all the deals we could handle and then some until that date. During the crash of 2002, every knuckle-headed stock market investor showed up at the county auctions, both tax deeds and foreclosures, and started throwing their money at real estate. They were bidding the properties up to the point that the old-timers like me, and I was 41 at the time that I reached old-timer status back in the sale, could no longer make their living solely at the sale. Now with online sales, every bonehead in every county, in every state, is a wannabe Florida real estate investor. Most have no clue what they're doing or what they're in for, and the others have more money than brains. In any event, the amount of competition at today's online auctions for investing are facing... I'm going to read that again, okay? In any event, the amount of competition today's online auction investors are facing for every property, there's no way they could eke out a living at the sale. They'll need more creativity, more guile, and I've got enough of that for all of us, gang. Thank you for allowing me to rant like you have a choice. You already paid for the... You could have skipped it, I guess. But I assure you, some of the tricks I have to make money at the sale will set you up nice. And the best part is, more likely than not, your competition will never see you coming. The moral of the story is find a county that still offers tax deed at a live sale, and you'll have a fighting chance to prevail the way we did back in the auctions when they lasted 4 hours or more. That was great. Those are great days. It might be fun again to walk in the shoes of us old timers. So I hope you find a live auction, because if you find a live auction, you're going to be able to make money straight up at the sale. And when I do these 13 ways to make money, number 13 is the tax deed sale, buying the property at the tax deed sale. There's so many other ways to make money, and I hope you get to experience a live auction. Now, these auctions like with Williams & Williams and Auction.com and all those guys, it's not the same. Williams & Williams still holds live auctions in certain states, and those are fun to go to. And it's a good experience if you've never done it before, but there's nothing like a room packed full of investors, everybody bidding. It's just a hoot. Now, I don't know. I went to the foreclosure auction in Philadelphia once, and that auction was crazy. By the way, Philadelphia is the most corrupt government in the nation, bar none. But that's a story for another day. But in any event, try to find a live auction if you can. If not, online, I'll teach you plenty of ways to make money other than taking possession of the real estate. Stay tuned. This is going to be great. It's starting to get good. And I got this slide under 5 minutes, so we're in great shape. I think I'm done. I am. See you next slide.